Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today's anchor chart is going to be a little more interesting than the others because we're taking a step deeper into the understanding of subtracting mixed fractions. And so in this case, we have 9 1/5 minus 5 4/5. Now, the small dilemma happens when we cannot take 4 away from 1. And so what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to utilize a method known as the Texas popcorn method, in which we turn both mixed fractions into improper fractions. Yes, improper fractions do have a place when it comes to subtracting fractions, and we will show you why they are a very important part of solving problems. So let's take 9 1/5, for example. 9 1/5 can actually be equal to 5 times 9 plus 1 over 5. And so again, we can go 5 times 9 plus 1. And in this case, 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. And we have our new way of looking at 9 1/5. We can see it as 46/5. All right, and we'll do the same thing to 5 4/5 by multiplying the denominator by the whole number plus the numerator. And so we'll have 5 times 5 plus 4 will give us 29, because 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 29, keeping the denominator right where it is in the denominator position, because again, the denominator tells the story of a fraction. And so we're going to replace 9 1/5 with 46/5. And we're going to replace 5 4/5 with 29/5. And at this point, we are much able to do our subtraction. 46 minus 29 will give us 17. We keep 5 in the denominator position, just like you see here. However, 17/5 is still an improper fraction, so we're going to turn it back into a mixed number. And so we're just going to simply say 17 divided by 5. Well, we know that 5 goes into 17 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 take away 15 is 2. If you recall from previous videos, that remainders are leftovers, and they both serve as numerators. So the remainder is the numerator, if I can say that. Remainder is the numerator, and we keep 5 in the denominator position. And as you can see, 3 will serve as our whole number, and our new answer will be 3 2/5. This will be a great time to pause the video or play it back as many times as you need to build a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more videos. And at this time, I would like to say goodbye, and we'll see you next time.